Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic Valentine's Day Collection beauty box. So this is a limited edition beauty box that is worth over £207, but it will be retailing on Lookfantastic for £55. And of course, if you are a subscriber of the Lookfantastic monthly beauty box, then you can get £10 off this limited edition. You should receive an email from Lookfantastic with the £10 discount code in it, but there is also a code which I will leave down in the description box which you can use. But yeah, so if you also want to subscribe to the monthly beauty box, and I will leave the link to that down below, along with my discount code where you can get 10% off your 3, 6 or 12 month subscription plans. And of course you can get £10 off the limited edition then if you sign up for a monthly subscription plan. I'll leave all the detail in the description box for you. But yeah, let's go on to the unboxing and I will show you what the Valentine's Day beauty box looks like. So this is the limited edition Valentine's Day box here. It says "Hey there lover," and this opens quite cool actually. So you have to pull like both sides apart, and then there's like a little lid inside. There's 7 products inside. 4 are full size products and the other ones are deluxe minis. So like I said, the box slides open like this, and as you can see it says Lookfantastic Valentine's Day Collection in the middle there, and that's actually like a little lid. And then we just lift this and we have the products and everything inside there. We get this booklet inside which tells us all about the products and how to use them. There's a quick look right there. The first full size product we get inside I'm really excited to try out, and it is the Almond Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. This just looks and sounds amazing. That's what it looks like there, and it's a super cleansing treatment balm. That's the balm inside there. So this smells absolutely gorgeous. It smells like a bunch of roses. It is got Padina Pavonica in it, English rose and rosehip oil, and oh my god, it just smells absolutely gorgeous. I love Elemis skincare, so I'm very excited to give this a go. It says it helps with fine lines and wrinkles, it gives you a deep cleanse, and it soothes and calms the skin. So yeah, this just sounds and smells gorgeous. I cannot wait to try this out. Alongside the cleansing balm we get this cloth here, which we can use to cleanse our face with. It's actually from Elemis as well. So yeah, it feels nice and soft, and that's going to come in really handy alongside the cleanser. The next thing we get inside is another full size product, and I'm really into this brand's cleansing milk, so I'm looking forward to seeing how this is going to go. And it's the Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. So that's it right there. I love products that say glow on them because I'm using a glow serum right now in my face and I really love it. So this here is got willow bark to encourage skin renewal. It also has lactic acid to gently exfoliate the skin. It also has azelaic acid which helps to brighten the skin. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to giving this a try, and I'm just going to give it a quick smell. Comes with this little kind of pump here where you can put a cotton round on it and then just apply it to your face. And I just pumped a little bit of that. Oh, it smells like oranges. It smells very fresh. It doesn't actually say orange on the bottle, but it does have a nice kind of orange smell to it. This Radiance Reviving Toner has a skin resurfacing formula to gently exfoliate and brighten your complexion. With a combination of lactic acid and willow bark extracts, they work together to eliminate dull surface cells and minimise the appearance of pores. So yeah, this sounds really lovely. I cannot wait to try this out. And again, it's another full size, so I'm loving that. Next thing inside the box are these 2 little deluxe minis from Aveda. These are the Aveda Cherry Almond Softening Shampoo and Conditioner. So I haven't tried Aveda hair products or anything before, so I'm looking forward to seeing how this is going to go. So this one here is the shampoo, and that's the conditioner. It says this 98% naturally derived hair care duo will bring some life back into your locks, infused with a host of beneficial ingredients including cherry blossom and sweet almond oil to nourish and soften your hair from root to tip. These sound like there's going to be really nice kind of soft and gentle hair care products. They're not going to be harsh on the hair or anything like that, so Oh, they smell really, really nice actually. Like, I like the smell of it. It's very fresh. And they are little deluxe minis. And the size is 40 ml for the conditioner and 50 ml for the shampoo. The next thing inside is another full size product, and I'm really excited about this because it's from 111 Skin, and it's the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. So that's the packaging for it right there. But this just looks and sounds amazing. Like, that's the packaging for it right there. I just love serum products, like serum and glowy products, so this is just definitely right up my street. I'm going to just show you this first before I read about it. So it comes with this little dropper idea and smells lovely, and then the liquid inside is nice and kind of lightweight, and it has a nice kind of pearlescent look to it, so it gives a really gorgeous kind of glow to the skin. Like, I have it on my hand here. I've tried it actually already when I received the box, and I just love how it feels and everything and how it looks. It says, get a soothed and hydrated complexion with this Radiance Booster formulated with rose flower water and 24 karat pure gold to cool irritation, reduce redness, provide environmental protection and supercharge your skin's luminosity. Also formulated with niacinamide to intensely hydrate and plump out the skin. I cannot wait to use this on my skin and see how it goes. Like, I am super into serums. Like, I've been using serums on my skin for about a year or two now, and I just love them. I shared with you in my beauty favourites from 2020 my Caudalie serum that I'm like using. I've been using it for about a year and I just love it. So yeah, I'm super into serums, and like, this just sounds gorgeous. I love it. See, it's going to give you luminosity, radiance, and yeah, just love it. And it's a really expensive product as well. Like, serums in general are very expensive, so yeah, very excited about that. Okay, so the next thing we get inside is another full size product, and I am really excited to try this out because it's from Illamasqua. Like, I love Illamasqua, one of my favourite brands. This is their Beyond Liquid highlighter in the shade OMG. So I absolutely love the OMG powder, like the original powder highlight from Illamasqua. It's my favourite highlight. It's probably the only highlighter that I use. Like, it is just the best. And like, I haven't tried a liquid version of it. That's it right there. So I'm going to put a little bit on this part of my hand here. Ooh, the shade looks a bit different from what the powder one looks like. The powder one is like a champagne shade. This one also is kind of like a champagne shade, but I would say it has a little hint of pink in it there. If you can see when I'm turning it there, it has a little hint of pink in it. So I think the shade is a little bit different actually than the powder one. But look at that, like how glowy and how reflective that is. There's no glitter or shimmer in it there, and that's one of the reasons why I love Illamasqua's OMG highlight, because it's kind of like, it just gives a really nice kind of sheen to the face. It doesn't have like chunky glitter or anything in it, and it's quite good that it has that slight pinky undertone to it, so it makes it a little bit different from the powder version. I think it says it has jojoba oil in it, and it's a shade that's good for all skin tones. So yeah, I'm very excited about this, cannot wait to try that out. And then the next thing we get inside, I am loving as well. It's a little mini though, or a deluxe mini of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So this is one of my favourite mascaras actually, one of my favourite high-end mascaras should I say. Like, it's just great. This gives so much fullness and volume and length and like everything to your lashes. That's it right there if you guys haven't seen it before. It says, get fluttery lashes of dreams. The Too Faced mascara with lash enhancing formula lifts and volumizes every lash and gives a curl that lasts all day. So yeah, this is one of my favourite mascaras, so I'm excited for this. So that is everything inside this limited edition, and I am loving this collection. I think it is great. Yeah, that's a quick look at the stuff inside again there. This cleansing balm from Almond just smells amazing. I cannot wait to use that. And also this Radiance serum from 111 Skin, like, just smells and looks incredible as well. I love the Too Faced mascara, so I'm excited for this little mini one. And this from Ren sounds great as well. And then the highlighter from Illamasqua looks great. I love the reflection on it there, and I love the original powder OMG, so very excited to try the liquid one. So guys, that is everything inside, and I would love to know what you think of the collection. And if you are interested in grabbing this, it goes on sale on the 25th, which is Monday, and I will have a link to it down below in the description box with all the details about it. That's it for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, please get a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.